Similar to the Danielson framework, the Marzano framework has separate elements, which are classified into 4 primary domains. Additionally, there are 10 guiding questions. For this presentation, I'll only be focusing on 3 of the 10. The first guiding question is, what will I do to establish and communicate learning goals, track student progress, and celebrate success? Some evidence you may see in a classroom would be a clear and student-friendly target posted for students to see, student-maintained progress charts that track growth over time, and regular checkpoints to mark growth. Now, when observing a classroom, you might hear students and the teacher referencing goals in the discussion and the questioning. Students using data to discuss growth and challenges that they face. You're also going to hear increased enthusiasm and encouragement for accomplishing small goals, as well as increased pride, motivation, and engagement from the students. The next question would be, what will I do to help students effectively interact with new knowledge? You might see things like content organized into chunks, visual reminders or reviews of prior knowledge, students divided into small groups, and high levels of engagement and interaction. In this classroom, you might hear an explanation of why this material is important. Students discussing what they already know, previous knowledge about a topic. Students will be asking questions and making predictions, and there will be peer explanations of new content. The third question I'll address in this screencast is, what will I do to help students generate and test hypotheses about new knowledge? For this question, an observer might see guided questions posted for the students, various methods of support, trial and error methods, and a lot of cooperative learning. You might also hear teacher and students reference guiding questions. You're probably going to hear a lot of wrong answers followed by positive discussion. You're also going to hear students engaged in and discussing problem-solving tasks. This screencast only covered 3 of the 10 guiding questions, but if you'd like more information, please check out the second screencast in the series, available next week.
That's all, folks.